Hi everybody, in this video we are going to explore the customization options of the voices as well as the text in VoiceStream Reader. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to open a text. Let's open To Kill a Mockingbird. The first thing we're going to look at is your voicing. So that menu is on the top right hand side. It's on the left of the large A and little a. Once you click on it, it opens up some options. The first option is your rate of speech. Right now, I have it at 150 words per minute. Let's listen to what that sounds like.
When he was nearly 13, my brother Jem got his arm badly broken at the elbow.
So if you would like a faster rate of speech, if 150 is too slow for you, you can go ahead and click on the plus button to a rate that you desire. Let's try 180 and listen to what that sounds like.
When he was nearly 13, my brother Jem got his arm badly broken at the elbow.
So as you can hear, it is a lot faster than 150. Let's say 150 and 180 is too fast. You want a slower rate of speech. You can decrease it to a lower number. Let's try 135 and listen to what that sounds like.
When he was nearly 13, my brother Jem got his arm badly broken at the elbow.
As you can listen and hear, the rate of speech is indeed slower. So this is a matter of preference. Go ahead and play around with the feature and pick a comfortable rate of speech for you. The next option is the voice itself. If you click on the voice button, you can choose from a variety of voices, male and female. Again, it's your preference. So select a voice that you feel comfortable listening to. And in the audio, advanced audio settings, you can change the pause length after a sentence is completed. You have options to skip in-text citations or play a sound when advancing to a new article. Those are options you can play around with and explore. I'm going to leave mine as is. And then on the bottom of that option screen, you can manage your different voices. You can add additional voices if you feel that it is necessary. Let's go ahead and go to the text options, and that's going to be that top right icon, the large A and the little a. And the first menu opens up font and spacing. Here you can change the font itself. Right now I have it adjusted or selected at chalkboard. You can select different fonts and go through it, see what you like the most in terms of the font. I want to go ahead and go to Arial and leave it there, okay? The next feature is your sizing. So if this font is set at 20, if that's too small for you, you can go ahead and increase it and it'll adjust in real time so you can see what that looks like. Or you can decrease it to your liking. So I want to go back to 20 and leave it there. The next option I want to point out is your line spacing. That's the vertical spacing between the different lines on the text. So it's currently set to 5. If that's too close together for you, you can increase it. Notice how the vertical spacing is increased. Or if that's too large for you, you can decrease it. So the text will be closer together vertically. All right, so notice how at a smaller line spacing, you will be able to fit a larger amount of text in one screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and go set it back to 5. And then the last option that I wanna explore are your side margins. So that's the spacing on the two sides of the document, set at 40. So if you want it more, you can increase it. So you notice how that spacing is increased on the side of the document. Or you can decrease it if you want a smaller spacing on the sides of the document. So again, this is all customizable. It's up to your preference. I know that the features are there and play around with it, find an optimal kind of range for you. Okay, so let's move on. The next part is your color settings. So it's automatically slided to adapt to system, and that program or this app will adjust to whatever document is open, you can slide that off and select different themes like dark, light, or you can leave it to adapt to system. And then after that are your color settings. Now there's a number of settings that you can adjust. For example, the text color itself, right now it's white. Let's say you want it for one reason or another. Red, you can set that to red and then change it back to white. So there's a number of colors you can change that to. The background, right now it's black. Let's say you want a different background. You can set a different background as well. I'm going to change it back to black. Okay. And then your spoken word, that's your text-to-speech option. As it highlights the word spoken, there's a color associated with it. So right now it's at a dark blue. Let's see what that
When
looks
he
like.
was nearly 13, my brother Jem got his arm.
So you notice how that highlight is dark blue. If we change that to, let's say, a pinkish color, that will be different. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So you can see now that your highlighted text is a different color.
When he was nearly 13, my brother Jem got his arm badly broken at the elbow.
Okay, so let's look at additional settings here. After your spoken word is your spoken line. So that's the highlight of the line itself in the text-to-speech feature. Right now it's gray. You can see that it's kind of gray there. Let's change it to another color and see what that looks like. Let's do green for the sake of this example. Okay, so notice how the entire line is highlighted green.
When he was nearly 13, my brother Jem got his arm badly broken at the elbow.
Okay, so those are some features and customization options that you can play with. Again, it's up to your preference. I'm gonna go ahead and change it to original, or the dark theme, and restore to defaults at the bottom there, just so everything is resetted. But again, you can change it. It's there if you need it. Those are some cool color settings. And then you can change speech cursor. So those are the main settings in terms of customization to the voicing itself and the text itself. It's very dynamic. You can change a number of different things. So play around with it, find a comfortable area for you, and good luck. All right, have fun with the app. There's a lot of things to do in it, a lot of customization options. I hope that this is helpful. Bye, everybody.